Hey everyone, is your Sony TV struggling with the latest YouTube update? You're definitely not alone. Many users encounter issues after updates, from apps crashing to videos not loading properly. But don't worry, you've clicked on the right guide. In this video, I'll dive into how to fix YouTube update problems on Sony TV, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite videos without a hitch. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's rule out the most common issue, an unstable internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. You can do this by going to the settings menu on your Sony TV, selecting network and internet, and running a connection test. A fast and stable connection is essential for streaming YouTube videos. If the connection is still weak, consider rebooting your router or moving it closer to your TV. Step 2. Update your Sony TV software. Sometimes outdated TV software can cause compatibility issues with the latest YouTube updates. To fix this, check for any available software updates for your Sony TV. Navigate to the settings menu, select device preferences, and then choose about. Click system update, and then follow the prompts to install any pending updates. This helps keep your TV in sync with app updates and should resolve many potential glitches. Step 3. Clear YouTube app cache. App cache can sometimes hold outdated information, leading to performance issues after an update. Here's how to clear it on your Sony TV. Go to settings menu, find apps, and select YouTube. Choose clear cache and confirm. This action won't delete your data, it will just remove temporary files that might be causing problems. Restart the YouTube app afterwards to see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Reinstall the YouTube app. If clearing the cache didn't work, you might need to reinstall the YouTube app. Go to the app section in the settings menu, select the YouTube app, and click on install. Once removed, return to the Google Play Store on your TV, search for YouTube, and reinstall it. This fresh installation often clears up stubborn issues by giving you a clean slate with the app. Step 5. Reset the TV to factory settings. As a last resort, you can reset your Sony TV to factory settings. This should only be done if all the previous steps fail, as this will release all your settings downloaded in apps. To perform a factory reset, go to settings, choose device preferences, then reset, and select factory data reset. After the reset, reconfigure your network and reinstall the YouTube app. This drastic step should eradicate any lingering software conflicts. Experiencing a YouTube update problem on a Sony TV can be frustrating, but with these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most issues effectively. From checking your internet connection to resetting your TV, each method is designed to address common compatibility problems. Always remember to keep your system updated and avoid skipping software prompts. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it gets you back into seamless streaming.